Articles can be pretty confusing for many students, in particular for students who don't have articles in their native language. Today I'm going to give a basic explanation of when to use the indefinite article, the definite article, or no article. I won't explain more complicated uses in this video because the most important thing at first is to understand why we use different articles. Let's get started. The indefinite article is a or an. We use this when we are talking about a real place or experience, but we don't specify which one. For example, if I say, Sarah works at a school in Boston, do we know which school exactly? No. We do know that she works at some school, a real physical place. The definite article is the. We use this when we are talking about a specific place or experience. So we could say Brian works at the school on Main Street. This would mean that there is only one school on this street, and so we know which exact school Brian works in. The last situation is to use no article. This is used to describe a general idea. I could say, school is very important. Here, we aren't talking about a real place. It just means that in general, this concept of having schools and going to school is important. We can also use experiences and not places. So if I say I'm going to a concert, it means some concert, but I didn't specify which one. If I say I'm going to the concert, this means that you already know which concert I'm talking about, or I've already mentioned it. If I say I like concerts, it means that in general, I like this type of event, but we're not talking about any real concert. Like I said before, there are many other smaller rules about certain situations where we use either the indefinite article, the definite article, or no article. But with this basic explanation, you should be able to understand a majority of the situations with articles. Thank you for watching.